Hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add custom liquid to Shopify. So first of all, you have to head over to your Shopify dashboard. Then here you can see this online store. Here you have to tap onto this theme section here. Then you have to tap onto this three dot icon. Then you have to tap onto edit code. And from there, you have to search for liquid option. Let me find that option, or you can just simply tap onto this liquid. Let's search up for the theme liquid options. Let me find also you can just scroll to the bottom, and there you can see this section options. So let me find out the section options from here. The section option here, and now tap on to add new section. Here you can see this liquid section. Now I'm gonna also name it liquid. Now you have to tap done, and then you have to wait, and then you just have to cut this whole text and then paste this code right up to there. So just copy this whole text and then save it up, and that's it. This is how we can just edit custom liquid to Shopify store. So that was it, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.